I'm just doing a quick video on fan replacements. Just had one of the fans go out on one of my GPUs, my ASUS RX 480. Just showing a very ultra budget way of fixing broken GPU fans. This total cost for me was $0, so it was 100% free, mainly because I had the parts lying around. Now when you're doing mining, you've got to think of these things. Every little unnecessary expenditure is just more profit that you're wasting. You know, if you can get an equivalent job done for a cheaper price, do it for the cheaper price. That's why I often go do Verge collection, check out the rubbish dump, you know, looking up for old computer parts and old fans and, you know, different odds and bods, just things you can use, because if it's free, it's free. That's what I like to say. Now, you have a little look what I just did. Hope you like it. How's it going, people? Here's my ASUS RX 480. One of the fans has ended up dying, so I've just pulled the fan off an old CPU cooler. I'm going to cable tie it in place and hook it up, because the ASUS ones have connections for fans on the back. Hopefully that'll fix the problem. El cheapo. Here we go. We'll cable tie it on. Plugged into the side. One fixed card. I think it looks pretty good. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you're thinking about anything. You guys all have a nice day. Bye. I'm taking payments, cause I don't want the NSA all stuck up in my anus. Yeah, and I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living. You know rappers like to sell drugs, but you do it on the streets and you did it in Google Buzz or Google Plus. There's a road made of silk you must. Get your hustle out of chemical rush, avoiding the brush with the law. Can stop them all cause they got it anonymous. The ones that play it stupid, they get thrown in the bottomless pit. Don't even know how to cut up them layers of the onion. So let the players play pumpkin. Hash function, pumping and dumping. Manipulate the market, flooded from the darknet, flooded from the deep web. Keep it a secret. Every exchange got the nerdy brains trading on the frequent. Wonder where the leak went. They left the cement looking for the promised land online. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living. You know rappers can't pay bills. Face the tax implications of evasion when they stack meals. Got a homie field deuce one, taught me the solution. Dumping all this knowledge from the booth, son. Anyone can learn it if you put in the work and research on how to line it just a fraction of your worth in the dirt. Like Jesus said, keep your funds under verse, cause there ain't no telling when that bubble go in the verse. You know rappers say they about the future, but you ain't Marty McFly till you bought kombucha from a supermarket with them bitcoins. Till you get your Charlie Sheen greens off computer screens from the Philippines. Cry them leaves, knocked off Louis V's. Try to freeze my assets, long on is the cash in the mattress. Now it's all tied up in hashes, wrapped up in encrypted badges. And I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living. I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm staring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him until prison send us all to prison. And that's a nerdy living.